Hey guys, today I'm installing a new front lip on my car. I have the lip right here. I actually had this lip on already and I never actually made a video on this lip, or actually I never made a video on the whole lip kit that I have on. The first lip that I did have on did get destroyed just from driving and stuff. It did end up breaking a while ago and I haven't had a lip for a very long time. Honestly, my car just looks better with it. I don't know, it just really needs it, and I've had this one actually for a couple months. I just haven't got around to wrapping it because I could throw this on like this, but I do want to wrap it, and I do have my wrap roll with me, so I'm gonna attempt to wrap something for the very first time. I'm kind of scared because I've never wrapped anything in my life. I want to start with this because I'm actually unwrapping my front bumper. I wanted to start with the lip just so I could get like some practice, and if I do really terrible, I probably will just go get my bumper done. I don't know. I don't think it'll be that bad. I still want to give it a try because I've never wrapped anything, and honestly I think this is my favorite lip for the 86 bumper. I do have a video installing a lip, but it was for my FRS bumper, so I don't have one yet for my 86 front end, which I don't know why. It's been over a year since I've had it and I still never did one. This is the exact same lip that I had. I get a lot of questions about where my lip was from. I did get it from eBay. I believe it is called the CW lip. The first one I had bought, it was out of stock for so long, and then one day I randomly found it again and I was like, oh my god, I need to get it. So yeah, I've had it for a couple months. I will try to leave it linked down below. Out of all the ones that I see online, honestly, this is like the best looking one in my opinion. Obviously there's other ones that are good as well, but this is my favorite, and it's also the only one I've ever tried, so I might be biased, but yeah. So, and I already sanded it, primed it, and the wrap should go on smoothly, I hope. Okay, I'm just rambling on. I just want to give you guys a little back context. So I did take out my car and I'm going to be wrapping it on a table here in my garage. And please remember, this is my first time wrapping something, and honestly I've watched maybe 2 videos and not even all the way through. I just kind of got like the gist of it. I kind of am going into this blindsided, and I'm not a patient person, and I know this is very tedious to try and wrap something, so I'm warning you guys now. If this comes out terrible, don't make fun of me because I warned you. So let me actually show you guys the lip first. It's not too aggressive, it's very subtle, but honestly it makes all the difference on the car. I really debated leaving the lip black, and honestly I probably wouldn't look that bad, but I have nothing else that is black on my car. I just feel like it flows better with my side skirts, and yeah, so sure you have to take off the white part first. This is gonna be really bad. Okay, whatever. Okay, like, I really don't care. Watch me rip it off. Guys, days later, I even have a new set of nails. I finally got the lip wrapped and back, so it is done really nice. I could never, but now I'm just gonna install it. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it. I do put bolts in it just to make it stronger. I'm gonna make holes, and I do already have holes in my bumper from my last lip, and it's exactly the same, so I'm just gonna go off of those. And should I show you guys? I'm literally all ready to go to the Origins show today, but I woke up extra early to get ready and get everything done because I needed to install this because I barely got this back today. Bit of a time crunch, but I ended up putting 2 self-tappers and then I ended up with 5 nuts and bolts, and that should be pretty sturdy. I think this is the same amount that I used on my last lip and it held up other than like the corners, but that has nothing to do with that. Now I'm gonna put her back on and get ready to go to the Origins meet. Okay, so this is how it ended up coming out to. It looks so good. It finally looks complete. Also, since I had a little bit of extra time before everyone got here, I finally put on my side markers. So if you're one of the people that always tell me, where are your side markers? Where are your side markers? They're here, they're back finally. It finally looks complete. I haven't had these side markers on for so long, even before I got the car wrap. So like it finally is like a little finishing touch. But yeah, it looks so good all together. If you guys didn't see my bumper video, I did do a whole little 2-part video on getting my bumper fixed up. Oh, the wrap did come from the same batch as my wrap that I originally got it, but because this wrap is over a year old, there is a slight difference in color, honestly, and I didn't think it was gonna be that big of a deal, but honestly I can see it. It's pretty different, but it's okay. I don't think it's gonna be that much of a deal. So I will leave the lip linked down below. It is just the lip from eBay, so the fitment isn't 100%, but yeah, if you look at it closer, it's giving me kind of OCD that the lines are not matching up 100%. It's not that they're not matching up, it's just like it kind of goes out this way right here, but then it goes in, but like very awkwardly. But yeah, but it is lined up how it's supposed to be because the corners can only go a certain way. So this is where I'm going to be ending the video. Now I'm going to head to the Origins meet and I'm actually vlogging it, so stay tuned for my next video. It is going to be a whole car show vlog and it's going to be really fun. It's already really hot, so I don't know how it's going to go, but we'll see. I'm really happy how my car turned out, so let me know what you guys think, if you guys like this lip, or if you have any other lip suggestions that you like for the 86 front end, let me know. Maybe for my next lip, when this one goes bye-bye, I can try out a new one. Even though this one is my favorite, I still like it. Even though it's a little off, I still really like how it looks. So let me know if you have a favorite lip or another lip that you think looks good for it. I'm just gonna end it here. I hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.